even for me, I can honestly say I even understand crypto, but I've never understood Forex, by the way. Like in layman's terms, if you're to describe to, let's say, because it's something that I've seen like a lot of even young people are very interested, because nowadays hakuna mtu anataka kufanya 8 to 5 hiyo donkey work, and it's not especially rewarding you the same way.
Yeah, it's not.
You'll work mpaka jioni, but at the end of it you can't meet all your bills vizuri. You don't have time to do extra things or even extra projects or side hustle.
And you can't compare like earning in dollars and earning in the actual Kenyan
That's even kwanza now the worst part sasa, by the being paid in Kenya shillings. Now inflation is killing us, cost of living inaendelea kupanda.
But I saw the dollar today. It was at 138 or 139.
What?
Imagine.
Wait. When Forex guys get a special rate, this is
the same rates.
I thought it was at around 140 or something.
Ilikuwa 139 nikitoka. Yeah, 139.
Okay.
But imekuwa ikifluctuate between 139, 138, 143. Which is tulikuwa tunataka ikiwa 160.
Yeah, actually that's true, because anyone from crypto community, Forex community, you understand when it comes to like when you're selling, especially converting to Kenya shillings.
I know,
ilikuwa na utamu yote, by the way.
Yeah, you just like make a few dollars.
$50.
It was around like 8,000,
yes.
9,000.
Yes.
$100 was like 15. Not
16, 16.5 there.
Imagine.
So now, but anyway, I want you to just, how can you simplify and explain Forex to someone who doesn't understand? And also keep into consideration, I don't want you to give all the gems, because people still have to come to your class anyway. Yeah. So if you were to just break it down in layman's terms for somebody to understand Forex, like a guka, a young kid, a parent, like, well, how would you describe it?
So basically, Forex, it's about speculating the value of one currency against another one. For example, let me use the Kenyan currency against the Ugandan currency. You're speculating whether the Kenyan currency will go up in value against the Ugandan currency.
Yeah.
So if you buy the Kenyan currency and it ends up going in value, for example, like Kenyan against Uganda. So if you want to buy, you buy, it goes up, so you gain profit. But if you buy and then it sells, you make a loss.
You make a loss.
Yeah, because now maybe the Ugandan currency has high value than the Kenyan currency. But then when it comes to now the currencies, we use currencies of more developed countries like the US, the London, Australia, Canada. So
the
we use
euros,
those,
the pounds.
Yeah, we use the pound, the euros,
Japanese
the Swiss
yen.
franc, all that. So we use those currencies. So it's just like if it's GBP USD, the pound against the dollar. So you're speculating whether the value of the pound will go up or down against the USD. So there are so many things that you have to consider. First, you have to do the technical analysis, where now you analyze the chart. The chart.
Now those are the graphs.
Yeah, the graphs. Pound against USD. So if it's selling, we always analyze the market kwa platforms, different MT5, TradingView. So I use TradingView a lot, and then I go execute kwa MT5. So if I'm speculating that the pound, for example, kama sai, the pound was trying to buy. So if I'm speculating that the pound, it arises in value against the dollar, maybe there are some things that are happening, but the dollar, the dollar affects us, all of us. So unapata, maybe there's something, maybe wako na higher unemployment, interest rates zimekuwa cut.
There's a Federal Reserve. So even you guys have to watch those news.
We do watch. We watch, especially Jerome Powell akiongea, we are always there.
Everyone hates him kwa Twitter, by the way.
And I actually saw that ako term yake ya mwisho or something.
Trump said akiingia, first of all, he has to go. He has to go. Him and the other guy, what's his name? The SEC chairman, Gary Gensler.
They have to go.
Yeah, he said those guys, But I think they're also just doing their job.
Yeah, exactly.
They're just doing their job.
So you say when maybe something is happening to the dollar, so you just know if the dollar is weak, the pound will rise in value, and if the dollar is strong, the pound will fall in value.
Also, that's standard.
So you just have to know. Maybe it's the pound against the dollar. So if it's rising in value, you buy the pound. So you have to do what we call technical analysis. You can either do the graph. You look at the graphs, do your technical mark zones. So we learn how to mark zones. It's not hard as
No, just finish explaining so that I ask my question.
Yeah, you learn how to mark your zones, know how the market really moves, understand the market structure and all that. Then you can be able to know that the pound or where we are from that area, maybe there are even some fundamentals coming in and they'll weaken even the dollar more. So you know at that area the pound is going to buy. So you can do either the technical analysis or the fundamental. For the fundamental is now where you look at the interest rates. Jerome ameamua kuhike ama kucut unemployment. We have something that we call NFP. The last every first Friday of the month, we always have what we call NFP. It's an economic data about the employment rate, about the number of new jobs that have been created
worldwide or in the States.
In the States. So you find that we have the number, we always have the number, the previous month, how it was. For example, the previous month was 353. Then we have the forecast, maybe we are forecasting 179, which is even a lower number. But then the actual comes out, it's 252, which is even better for the dollar. So you find that such instances,
they
you
still
find
affect.
That that is what we always, if upon the... utamu ya forex inakujanga because the market can move like 200 pips within 5 minutes.
By pips, what do you mean?
Pips, for example, ukitoka hapa utembee unamesha in kilometers. So pips, your point in movement, like we measure the your movement. For example,
like pound, on the chart sasa.
Yeah, for example, pound ikitoka 1.3 600 ipande to 1.400 hiyo movement tunaimesha na pips. Says on dot. It's
But you see, you know why I'm saying that, and I'll also like even just I'll let you explain more of that. It's because like let's say in crypto community, kinda right. And I'm not saying like I'm a crypto expert, no, but you know I would never want to be left out on a conversation about finances if you know especially it's something that you can use to grow your wealth, which is very hard right now. We can't buy land the same way our parents used to.
True.
We can't what else? We can't buy
even the cost
houses,
of living,
cost of living, rent,
especially
school
for
fees.
normal school fees. And even fuel.
Fuel by the every other time to non news.
So like every day. But then we trade oil itself, just that. Maybe vile ina move si vile sisi huku inatu affecting sana, but
it's still kinda.
It's still, especially there was a time oil ilitoka, I don't know, 70 to around 90 na huku I think tukakaa like I think 1 week, and then there was those news that oil prices are going high. And zikaongeza, we trade the oil.
So every day in the morning, I'm guessing you have to see international news updates.
Not really. I'm more of a technical trader. Charts. The chart
so
itself,
charts give you the
inaweza kuambia what will happen. For example, see even in crypto, see there are the charts.
I don't read the charts.
You trade like
no, not even that. Because for me, let's say if you follow something like CoinGecko. CoinGecko will always give you like they don't spam a lot of information that's unnecessary. So they'll just give you every single day information that's going to move the market. Like BlackRock has applied for ETFs now for, let's say, Ethereum, which is still pending approval. Because BTC, of course, ilisha fly, and that's why the prices and everything, it can bring other financial institutions to be more comfortable in investing. But so now they always give like little gems that can kind of guide you. But otherwise, like for the chart, I think the riskiest thing in crypto, if you use the charts, it's because somebody can just decide to liquidate. And kama like I think last week somebody liquidated $715 million. And the market ilikuwa already inaenda. Like everyone is like, hey, and then it just...
Yeah, I think when it comes in crypto, people
so how does
can
the chart there
easily-
help now?
Yeah, true. I understand that.
And I already took my rulers and markers, marked everything.
Yeah.
And then I set up my buying points, and then it drops.
When it comes to Forex, I think we also have liquidity and all that from the banks, but you find it's not like someone and decide.
It's not as volatile as for crypto.
Yeah, true.
Ndio.
Yeah, because I don't think someone can decide atainvest in euro hadi pande yote. Unaelewa? Euro itapanda because of all the economic factors that
And
are
I
happening.
think, okay. And now that you say that, actually Forex even sounds safer than crypto. Cause no, listen. You know why?
As much as it-
Because Elon Musk can tweet something. And
that-
it will affect the market
Yeah, true.
immediately. Like the guy who's buying like all the Bitcoins now, what's his name? Michael Saylor. He's buying a lot.
A lot.
He's always buying. He's just saying he's not selling. And he keeps on buying.
And buying.
So if he posts anything,
Or he says he's going to sell.
we are done.
Oh my.
We're just poor by the way. Let's just go back to applying for jobs by the way. But that's how easy it is for even someone who's influential. They can really affect. But so now for Forex, like you're saying, you're talking about oil, you're talking about the dollar against the pound. Economically, the countries have to be affected for those needs to be.
The currency has to be affected.
Yeah. So I think that's more, wouldn't you say that's safer than crypto?
It's safer, but you see, everything has its own pros and cons. So it's not as easy as it might sound. You still have to learn and then you see Forex.
I have not said it's easy. That's why I'm not even touching Forex yet.
And you see now in Forex, there's also some things that we call psychology. In Forex, emotions, risk
fear and
management,
greed. We have
FOMO.
we have that as well. Yeah, we have that.
You have the FOMOs.
Yeah.
Like right now, people can be like the FOMO. The CBTC is high. They they buy, and it's already high.
It's plus you can't just jump in on the bull run because you never know.
Yeah.
Don't expect the same returns when somebody bought at $15,000 and now it's past 72,000.
Yeah.
So you can't expect the same profits.
Profits.
But even before you know it, you're the one who's boosting the market actually with your speculation and excitement. So people have been